my name is Myra, your Pinay English teacher here on YouTube. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang prepositions of place na in, on, and at. Gumawa na ako ng video before about these three prepositions, but in that video, I discussed them as prepositions of time. So sa video na ito, tututukan natin kung paano nga ba sila gamitin as prepositions of place. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng prepositions of place? What is a preposition of place? A preposition of place is a word that helps to describe where something or someone is located. Ibig sabihin, ginagamit ang isang preposition of place para ilarawan o sabihin ang eksaktong lugar kung nasaan ang isang bagay o tao. Halimbawa, ito ba ay nasa loob, nasa ilalim, nasa ibabaw, nasa harap, o nasa likod? Ang prepositions of place ay tinatawag ring prepositions of location. Umpisahan natin sa preposition of place, in. In is used when you want to say that an object or a person is inside something, inside an enclosed space. So, ibig sabihin, nasa loob siya. Okay? Napapalibutan siya at nasa loob siya. Halimbawa, this is a pen and this is a pouch. Ilalagay natin ang ating pen sa loob ng pouch. So, you can say, my pen is in the pouch. Another example, there's coffee in my cup. So, nasa loob siya ng cup, napapalibutan siya ng surface ng cup. So, you can use in. Or, I'm in my room. Nasa loob ako ng kwarto ko, kaya I can say, I'm in my room. Again, in is used when you want to say that an object or a person is inside something. Inside an enclosed space, nakapaloob sa isang bagay, halimbawa, box, pocket, bag, room, or building. You can also use this preposition when you want to say that someone or something is in the water. Examples: sea, river, lake, swimming pool. The kids are having so much fun in the pool. There are plenty more fish in the sea. At syempre sa ibang liquids like blood, oil, wine, coffee, or milk. There's so much sweetener in your coffee. Pwede mo rin gamitin ang in sa mga printed materials. Examples: a book, a picture, a newspaper. I read about the accident in the newspaper. What do you see in the picture? Now let's talk about the preposition on. On is used when you want to say that something is on top of something. Nakadikit siya sa surface, nasa ibabaw ng isang bagay. Halimbawa, this pen is on the notebook. Nakapatong siya sa notebook, nakadikit siya sa surface ng notebook. A clock is on the wall. Tandaan mo ha na kailangan kapag ginagamit mo yung on, an object or isang bagay ay nakadikit or on top of something. It touches the surface. For example, there's an apple on the box. Pwede rin ang on sa floors of buildings. Example, our office is located on the 10th floor. You can also use on for the internet, TV, smartphone, computer, radio, telephone, and other electronic devices. For example, they're talking on the phone. The information will soon be available on the internet. At syempre pag sinabi nating internet, kasama dyan yung mga online platforms like social media, creative content outlets, search engines, app stores, payment systems. Examples: please follow me on my Facebook page, Pinay English Teacher. I hope you will continue supporting me here on YouTube. In water versus on water. Kanina sinabi kong pwede mong gamitin ang in when you want to talk about water, like sea, river, lake, or swimming pool. Pero pwede mo rin gamitin ang on with water. For example, we can say, we are going to be in the sea tomorrow. Or, we are going to be on the sea tomorrow.
magkaiba nga lang ang ibig sabihin nila. Kapag sinabing in the sea, malamang yan ang ibig sabihin niyan ay nakulublob sa dagat. Pwedeng nagsiswimming, nagsisnorkeling, o nagsuscuba diving, basta ang ibig sabihin niyan ay nasa tubig. Kapag sinabi namang on the sea, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay nakalutang sa tubig. They're floating on the surface of the sea. Pwedeng nakasakay sa barko o sa bangka. Wala sila sa tubig mismo, kundi nasa ibabaw sila ng tubig. In versus on for transportation. Ang tanong, kailan natin gagamitin ang in at on pagdating sa mga sasakyan? Remember that if you must sit inside the vehicle, we use in. Examples, in a car, in a taxi, in a helicopter, in a rowboat, in a canoe. Yung hindi ka pwedeng tumayo habang umaandar ang mga sasakyang yan. Now, if we can stand or walk on the vehicle, we use on. Ibig sabihin, ginagamit natin ang on sa mga malalaking public transportation. Examples, on an airplane, on a bus, on a train, on a ship, on a ferry, on the subway. Pwede kang tumayo o maglakad kahit na umaandar ang mga sasakyang yan. You can also use on for a small and open mode of transportation. Examples, on a motorcycle, on a bike, on a horse, on a skateboard. But you have to take note of this. For some modes of transportation, in and on are possible. In or on a submarine. In or on a helicopter. They are all correct.
Now let's talk about at. At is used when you don't mean being inside or on top of something. At is used when you were talking about being at an exact position. So halimbawa, nandun ka talaga sa lugar na yon, okay? Again, pinag-uusapan natin dito, not inside or not on top of something. For example, I'm at my desk. So nasa desk ako. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na ako ay nakaupo sa desk. I'm not on my desk. Okay, wala ako sa ibabaw. I'm not in my desk kasi hindi naman siya enclosed. Hindi siya isang box, 'di ba? Ako ay nasa desk. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na ako ay on my desk. Pwera na lang kung talagang ikaw ay nakaupo sa desk mo. In that case, you can say, I'm sitting on my desk. Pero kung ikaw ay nakaupo, nasa harap ng computer mo, for example, at ayan ang desk mo sa harap mo, you can say, I'm at my desk or I am sitting at my desk. Another one, I'm standing at the door. Wala ka sa loob ng pinto kasi yung pinto ay isang, paano ba? Nagko-cover siya ng daanan, di ba? So, hindi ka pwedeng maging nasa loob ng pinto. Okay? Pwede mong sabihin nakatayo ka sa may pinto. So, I'm standing at the door.
You can also use at for events or gatherings o yung may mga kaganapan. Examples, party, conference, concert, reunion. I met her at your wedding. Your favorite band will be performing at the concert. At then ang gagamitin mo for exact addresses with a house or building number, so yung eksaktong address. Example, I live at 143 Sampaloc Street. You can also use at for public places and shops. Examples, let's meet at the train station. I'm already at the restaurant. Can we stop at the supermarket? I just need to buy something. At then ang gagamitin for places where we do typical or regular things. For example, at school, at university, at college, at work. Ito yung mga lugar na halos araw-araw nating pinupuntahan for our regular activities. Examples, where's your brother? Is he still at school? We always have to speak English at work. I studied engineering at university.
Now I'm going to be giving you some sentences that you can complete using those prepositions of place. If you have any questions, just write them in the comment section. Sana ay may natutunan ka sa ating video for this week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye-bye!